Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. This video is about directional derivative from vector calculus. Here pi is a scalar point function, n vector is the direction. The directional derivative is rate of change of pi in the direction of n vector. The formula for directional derivative is del pi dot n vector divided by modulus of n vector. Del pi is nothing but grade pi. Magnitude of maximum directional derivative is modulus of del pi. Direction of maximum directional derivative is del pi itself. The dot product I vector dot I vector is equal to 1, j vector dot j vector is equal to 1 and k vector dot k vector is equal to 1. Let us move on to the problem. Find the directional derivative of z square plus 2xy at 1, minus 1, 3 in the direction of I vector plus 2j vector plus 2k vector. In this problem, you have to find the directional derivative. For that, first we have to find del pi. The formula for directional derivative is del pi dot n vector divided by modulus of n vector. Here del pi is nothing but grade pi, that is I vector dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z. Pi is equal to z square plus 2xy. Differentiate pi partially with respect to x, y and z. Dou phi by dou x. We have to differentiate pi partially with respect to x. First term is z square. Other than x term is a constant term, so put 0. Then 2 into differentiation of x is 1. And you write y as it is. So dou phi by dou x is equal to 2y. Similarly, dou phi by dou y. First term is z square. Here we have to partially differentiate with respect to y. So first term is 0. Then 2 into x. Differentiation of y is 1. Here we are applying product rule. So dou phi by dou y is equal to 2x. Next dou phi by dou z. We have to differentiate pi partially with respect to z. First term is z square. Differentiation of z square is 2z. No z in second term, so 0. So dou phi by dou z is equal to 2z. Now we have to substitute dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou z in del pi. That is del pi is equal to I vector dou phi by dou x is 2y plus j vector dou phi by dou y is 2x plus k vector dou phi by dou z is 2z. That is 2y I vector plus 2x j vector plus 2z k vector. Next we have to find del pi at the given point 1, minus 1 and 3. Del pi at the point 1, minus 1, 3. Substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 3. Del pi is equal to 2 into y value is minus 1 I vector plus 2 x value is 1 j vector plus 2 into z value is 3 k vector. That is minus 2 I vector plus 2 j vector plus 6 k vector. Del pi at 1, minus 1 and 3 is minus 2 I vector plus 2 j vector plus 6k vector. Del pi is over. N vector is nothing but the direction I vector plus 2j vector plus 2k vector. N vector is equal to I vector 2j vector plus 2k vector. Modulus of n vector is nothing but square root of sum of squares of coefficient of ijk. Here the coefficient of ijk is nothing but, for I the coefficient is 1, for j the coefficient is 2, for k the coefficient is 2. We have to take the square of each terms. So n vector is root 9. So this is equal to 3. Now substitute everything in the formula. Del pi is minus 2i vector plus 2j vector plus 6k vector. N vector is nothing but I vector plus 2j vector plus 2k vector. Divided by modulus of n vector. N vector value is 3. You multiply I term with I term, j term with j term and k term with k term. Because I vector dot I vector, j vector dot j vector and k vector dot k vector is equal to 1. Other terms are 0. Now I multiply first term with the first term, minus 2 into, here the coefficient of I is 1, plus here the coefficient of j is 2 and here the coefficient of j is 2, plus coefficient of k is 6 and here the coefficient of k is 2. 6 into 2. Whole thing divided by 3. So the value is minus 2 plus 4 plus 12 divided by 3. So directional derivative is 14 by 3. For finding directional derivative, first you have to find a del pi, then del pi at the given point. After that you have to write the direction given in the problem. Then you have to find the modulus of n vector. After that you have to substitute all the values in the formula. You will get the directional derivative. The next question is, find the directional derivative of pi is equal to xy plus yz plus zx at 1, 2, 0 in the direction 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 5k vector. Also find the magnitude of the maximum directional derivative. First you have to find the directional derivative. Then you have to find the magnitude of the directional derivative. Directional derivative formula is del pi dot n vector divided by modulus of n vector. Here del pi is nothing but I vector dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z. Pi is given in the problem. Pi is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. We have to differentiate pi partially with respect to x, y and z. Dou phi by dou x. You have to differentiate pi with respect to x. First term is xy. Differentiation of x is 1. So 1 into y. The second term, no x term is there, so 0. Third term, z into x is there. So differentiation of x is 1, z into 1 is z. So dou phi by dou x is y plus z. Dou phi by dou y. You have to differentiate pi partially with respect to y. First term is xy. So differentiation of y is 1. So 1 into x is x. Second term yz is there. Differentiation of y is 1. So 1 into z is z. Here z and x is there. So 0. Dou phi by dou z. You have to differentiate pi partially with respect to z. No z term here. So 0. Here y and z is there. Differentiation of z is 1. So y into 1 is y. Here z and x is there. Differentiation of z is 1. So 1 into x is x. So dou phi by dou z is equal to x plus y. Now substitute dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou z in del pi. Del pi is equal to I vector dou phi by dou x is equal to y plus z. J vector dou phi by dou y is x plus z. Plus k vector dou phi by dou z is x plus y. Next we have to find del pi at the given point. Here the point is 1, 2 and 0. Now del pi at 1 comma 2 comma 0. So del pi is equal to I vector, y value is 2, z value is 0 plus j vector, x value is 1 and z value is 0, k vector, x value is 1 and y value is 2. So del pi is equal to 2i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector. Del pi is over. Here n vector is nothing but the direction 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 5k vector. N vector is equal to 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 5k vector. Modulus of n vector is nothing but sum of squares of coefficient of ijk. Here the coefficient of ijk is 2, 3 and 5. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. Modulus of n vector is root 38. Now we substitute all the values in the formula. Del pi is 2i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector. 2i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector dot n vector is 2i vector 3j vector plus 5k vector. Whole thing divided by modulus of n vector. Modulus of n vector is root 38. Now we take the dot product. First term with the first term, second term with the second term, third term with the third term. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Whole thing divided by root 38. This is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 15 divided by root 38. So the value is 22 divided by root 38. Next we have to find the magnitude of the maximum directional derivative. That is nothing but modulus of del pi. Del pi is 2i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector. Modulus of del pi is square root of coefficient of I is 2, that is 2 square. Coefficient of j is 1, 1 square and coefficient of k is 3, 3 square. So the value is 4 plus 1 plus 9. So maximum directional derivative is root 14. Magnitude of the maximum directional derivative is modulus of del pi, that is nothing but root 14. The next problem, in what direction from minus 1, 1, 2 is the directional derivative of pi is equal to x y squared z cube a maximum. Find also the magnitude of this maximum. Here we have to find the direction and the magnitude. For that first you have to find del pi in the usual manner. Del pi is I vector dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z. Pi is x, y square and z cube. We have to differentiate this pi partially with respect to x, y and z. So first one dou phi by dou x. You have to differentiate pi partially with respect to x. Here x is there. Differentiation of x is 1. So 1 into y square is z cube. 1 into y square is z cube. So dou phi by dou x is y square is z cube. Dou phi by dou y, you have to differentiate pi partially with respect to y. Here x y square is z cube is there. You write x and z cube as it is and you differentiate y square. Differentiation of y square is 2y. So dou phi by dou y is 2xy is z cube. The next one dou phi by dou z. You have to differentiate pi partially with respect to z. You write x and y square as it is and you differentiate z cube. Differentiation of z cube is 3z square. So dou phi by dou x is 3x y square z square. Now substitute dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou z in del pi. Del pi is equal to I vector dou phi by dou x is y square z cube plus j vector dou phi by dou y is 2xy z cube plus k vector dou phi by dou z is 3xy square z square. Next we have to find del pi at the point minus 1, 1 and 2. I vector y value is 1, 1 square, z cube is 2 cube plus j vector 2 into x value is minus 1, y value is 1 and z value is 2, 2 cube plus k vector 3 into x value is minus 1, y value is plus 1, z value is 2, 2 square. So del pi is equal to 8i vector minus 16j vector minus 12k vector. Del pi is equal to 8i vector minus 16j vector minus 12k vector. Next we have to find the direction of the maximum directional derivative. This is nothing but del pi itself. Del pi is 8i vector minus 16j vector minus 12k vector. After that we have to find magnitude of the maximum directional derivative. This is nothing but modulus of del pi. Square root of the sum of squares of coefficient of I, j, k in del pi. That is, coefficient of I is 8, 8 square. Coefficient of j is minus 16, 16 square. And coefficient of k is minus 12, minus 12 square. So the value is 64 plus 256 plus 144. So modulus of del pi is root of 465. In this way, you have to find directional derivative, direction of the maximum directional derivative, magnitude of the maximum directional derivative. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.